when I say I want to end humanization, so I think this is unhealthy what he's doing, because he's making all these people think that these scientific supplements and exercise programs are going to significantly change their health and trajectory in life, and that is just going to turn out to be false every single time. If you take a person, like your average American has a collapsed neck, no profile, is overweight and has a twisted body, and they're going to go and they're going to do what Huberman says, they're going to just make themselves worse. Put another equivalent guy, give him to me for 3 years, and I'm telling you, like, I will blow Huberman out.